How to block people on Snapchat. Hello everybody. If you're wanting to block people on Snapchat, you can follow up the steps. So for that, you can open up Snapchat on your device first. And once you do, you should be finding this interface. Now from here, you can go ahead and access the chat screen by tapping on the chat. And once you're on the chat screen, you can go ahead and locate out the person that you would like to block. For example, this person right here, you can tap on their profile first. After tapping on their profile, you should be finding their profile page. And at the top of the page, you should be finding a 3 dot. You can tap on it. After tapping on it, you will be given this menu. From the given menu, select the option that says Manage Friendship. And after that, here you will be given a block option. All you gotta do is simply tap on the block option and confirm that you want to block this person. And when you do, that person will be blocked on Snapchat. That is how you block people on Snapchat very easily. So I hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching this video.